Alright, let's get straight to it. Is the JBL Boombox 4 a scam, or is it the ultimate party speaker? First off, the Boombox 4 is absolutely a real official JBL product. It dropped in September 2025, and honestly, it's one of the most hyped portable speakers you can buy right now. When you hear people call it a scam, they're usually talking about sketchy social media knockoffs, not the actual JBL speaker. So, if you're buying from an authorized seller, you're good. Let's talk wins. The Boombox 4 has a swappable battery. Finally. That means you can just pop in a fresh one, especially if you're using it with the JBL Extreme 4. No more dying speaker at the worst moment. It's also got serious power, 210 watts plugged in, 200 watts on battery. Translation? It's louder than the Boombox 3. Auracast support lets you hook up with newer JBL models for a wall of sound. Think Charge 6 or Flip 7. Battery life? Up to 34 hours if you keep things moderate, and it's built like a tank, fully waterproof and dustproof. But it's not all sunshine. The price is a curveball. $550 is steep, especially with budget-friendly options like the Tribit Stormbox Blast floating around. JBL also ditched the aux port, so you're stuck with Bluetooth or USB-C for your tunes. And while the bass is thunderous, some people say the highs get a little too sharp and nasally compared to the smoother Boombox 3. Here's my verdict. If you're rocking an original Boombox or a Boombox 2, this upgrade is a game changer, especially for parties or outdoor jams. But if you already have a Boombox 3, unless you really want Auracast or a battery you can swap, you might want to save your cash.